Hi there, it's Steve from Miracle Truck and Car Company in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area. Today I'm happy to present this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit equipped with the Eco Diesel engine. You know what? You will get 7 to 8 liters per 100. That's amazing. Plus you can tow up to 7,200 pounds, and this Jeep is fully equipped. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we offer full bank financing, that's low rates, with extended terms. Plus, we also assist people that have had some bruised credit, slow credit, maybe you lost your job or you got into an accident. You don't have to go into a dealership. You don't have to jump through all those hoops. Just deal with one or both of the owners. We'll appraise your trade-in, we'll get you approved, and we'll get you driving a newer vehicle, just like this Jeep Grand Cherokee, at a lower rate. Guess what? The whole time, you're rebuilding your credit. This Jeep Grand Cherokee has the balance of a gold plan warranty, which means that when it was purchased brand new, the customer put a 5-year, 100,000, what's called major component, or some people call it bumper to bumper, which is transferable up to October 2020 or 100,000 kilometers. So if you're concerned about repairs, or maybe 6 months from now the AC doesn't work or something goes wrong with some of the electronics, you know what? No worries. We'll transfer that warranty into your name at no charge. And that's just one of the nice things you'll find here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. So you're looking for something with everything in the kitchen sink? Well, you know what? You found it. Well, you know what? Just you can check the key out. You've got remote start. It's got a power lift gate. You've got a power 10-way driver's seat with memory. Power windows, power locks, air conditioning, tilt steering, cruise control. It's even got power telescopic steering. Everybody buys a Jeep for its off-road cred. Well, look at this one. 4-wheel drive low. You've got hill descent control, snow, sand, auto, mud, rock, and of course, the coveted air suspension. I'm sitting in the back seat. You should see this panoramic sunroof. It is massive. It's beautiful. You can actually see the stars at night from the back seat. It also has a cover that's power also, so you can actually block the sun out completely. That's just a standard feature on the Grand Cherokee Summit. It's really a nice vehicle, even to the point where Jeep covers up the trailer hitch and wiring. All you gotta do is pull that cover off. And of course, with the 3-liter Eco Diesel, you're 7 to 8 liters per 100. That's amazing fuel economy, and you can tow up to 7,200 pounds. You've got a ton of room in the back. You've got that privacy visor. There's your power tailgate if you don't have your key with you. And it's also got the Harman Kardon speakers. I believe this one's got 19 speakers. Jeep does a great job when it comes to keeping you and your family safe on the road, off-road. The list of standard safety features is through the roof. You've got adaptive cruise control. You've got blind spot warning. You can't see them, the car's going to let you know. You've got front and rear park sensors. You've got a backup camera. You also have full navigation. As you can see, the navigation even works when you're in the Sirius satellite setting. You've got automatic climb control. Yeah, it's just and of course, here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we do a full mechanical inspection, and as you can see, we also do a full detail. This Jeep is nice. The original manufacturer suggested retail price on this Jeep is $75,205, and it also has the CD player. That beautiful interior is called dark Sierra brown with black interior accents, and something a lot of people don't know, but it's got the Premium Plus appearance group, and it gets you those 20 by 8 inch satin carbon wheels, the platinum badging, the tail strip, the body color. It's really nice. And this was also ordered with the skid plate group. So you've got the fuel tank skid plate, transfer case skid plate, front suspension skid plate, and underbody skid plate. So on or off road, don't worry, if it's raining outside, we'll bring our vehicle inside, grab a coffee, take your time, enjoy the comfort of our indoor showroom. Maybe you're out looking for an X5 diesel or a Mercedes diesel. You know what? This Grand Cherokee really stands up, and you're going to find that it's thousands and thousands of dollars less. And you'll find this Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit diesel here at Miracle Truck and Car Company.